So usually, okay, although we have our slide master here, my favorite slide is this one, okay, the one with a title, the footer, and here is empty, it's blank, so that I can use my content. Here I add my content and do my presentation, add in images, cartoons, and some text or some here word art rather than text, okay, and I just show some messages, important messages, but I prefer to make my pictures, my images talk for me. Okay, there will be my voice in the background, the voice narration, but what you see in the video, more than the text that I'm saying, is the movement of my images. And it's a powerful evolution and video creation, of course. Rather than show text, it's better to show images. Of course, the best is to add text and images, because if the people don't get a message by hearing it, but they can read the message also on the display, then it's also good. Okay, I saw some people doing some I saw some people, for example, that were following my video, and then when I could read also my message, they were more happy because they could get this twice. Okay, so what is important is that here in a presentation you can add objects, and the most important object that you can add are shapes. Here you have a lot of shapes that you can choose from. Okay, you can see here you can change, if once you selected a shape, you see here in the format tab that is automatically selected. Once you select a shape, you can select different formats of shape. Okay, and you can also edit the text over it. Okay, you have the default one, but you can change, of course. You can format, increase the font size, change the font style, okay, and even the color. Okay, you have all these images. You can also do shape fill. You can change the shape fill or the shape outline. You can decide that you will have to increase the weight of the shape, or you will have dashed or dotted, and then you will have blue. Here we are. Okay, you see here. And some effects, you want to have a shadow, or you want to have a 3D rotation. You can see here you have all these effects. Okay, again, okay, for your image. Or you can, here you can insert. If you click on insert, you have all these objects. Here you can see smileys. Okay, you can format them, or you can insert, okay, all these kind of shapes. Or you may decide to photo or photo album, or I say I want to add a picture. Okay, I can select this picture here, and I can change, I do some shadow, or I can say I want to insert a picture like a photo. Okay, like this, and I want this, for example, to be laid down like this. Okay, I give this effect. So these are interesting part when you want to add objects to your PowerPoint presentation. So you can add shapes, pictures, images, can do a screenshot if you want to do, and of course these are the most important objects that I want to show you. You can go also over and decide to add charts like this in your presentation. You see here I have some now calculation. I have some calculations. See, I'm PowerPoint and Excel connected, and I can also format this and do some background if I want. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. Or as I said before, it's very interesting to add word art. So some text. Okay. Of course, this text here you can change. You can decide to change it, or even you want to change to some shape fill or no fill, shape effect. You want to give some rotation as well, or you want this based on other objects. Okay, so these are all the objects, the main objects that I suggest you to use for your presentation, for your images, to do some concepts. Okay, if you want to present some process steps, you can use this, and if you want to show some images to show some concept, you can do the same like this. Okay, so this was basically this part to insert objects into a PowerPoint presentation.